Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another interesting video. So in today's video, we will be doing something more interesting and cool. So other than the Lego EV3 robot, today I'm making a video on this solar kit. So before I start with anything, I just want to tell you that I really want to thank you all for 50,000 views on total on my channel and 100 subscribers. Like, I really love you guys for your support. And please keep supporting me, and please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, because I am really thankful to you all that you helped me achieve 500 total likes on the channel and 50,000 likes with 223 watch hours with the help of shorts. So first of all, I would really love to thank you guys. Secondly, I want to tell you that I've already dismantled everything from this kit. So to make it easier, instead of wasting time on taking each and every part out, so actually this kit is a solar based kit which has a solar panel in it, and you can build 6 different models, and each of a single model is shown. Like, for example, you can make a solar windmill, so solar robot, solar helicopter, solar plane, solar wheeler, and solar airboat. And these are the list of the parts which are given to you. So I would like to tell you that I will make each and every single robot which is shown in this video. I will show you how it works, because today is a very a good sunny day. So because we need a lot of sunlight, a good sunlight, so you can easily do this today. Also, and I will also create a short for every single one of the robot. You can also go from the YouTube shorts and watch over there too. So actually these were these 4 trays, and we got all these components. So the main things which we'll get is the solar, this is the gear motor which I made. This was a kit, and you had to insert a micro motor which was a cordless motor, and then you had to assemble the solar panel. I already did it for you guys to save time. So on the first, we'll follow this step. So first this, then this, then this, then this, and so on. So first we'll create solar windmill, and according to the manual we will make each and everything. So let's begin. So as you can see, that this is the instruction for solar windmill, step 1, 2, 3, and 4. So in step 1 it says that you need some components which you have to join together. So I will tell you which components they are. So first of all, we'll need this one. Then we'll need this for the base, and 4 other types of these things. These blue, there are 4 to help support. And then you need this clip on top to hold the gear motor. So first it says to assemble them all. Once I assemble them, I will show you step 2, and then so on. Now as you can see that I have assembled the structure. So the next step says that we have to create the propeller for the motor. And for the propeller, we'll need these things which I'm going to show you. Okay, so these are the things which will create the propeller. We'll join them, and then we'll attach all of the other stuff and the gearbox and things. So let's begin. So as you can see that I've prepared the blade the way it should be. Now we're going to attach this motor and the solar panel, connect them, and then our first solar windmill will be ready. So let's begin. So as you can see that I just adjusted the motor, and now it's time to, because there's no switch, you can already hear the motor because the sunlight is out, solar panel is working. Now it's time to connect the propeller. So guys, as you can see that I have connected each and everything. You can see also from this side. So the solar panel and this thing is working. So the first robot, which is a solar windmill, is now complete. And now it's time to build the solar wheeler. So let's begin. Now on the second, we're going to make the solar robot. And these are a set of instructions. This one is the most easiest. So I'll make it you can just pause and see the steps. And then I will show you the finished product.